procedure. Firstly, the apparatus consists of power generator, a potentiometer, digital ammeter, digital voltmeter was set up shown in the experiment setup. Secondly, the current passing through the diode was adjusted by using means of potentiometer. Keep increasing the current slowly until it reaches saturation value. Next, the current and the corresponding voltage across the diode for forward bias was recorded in table 1. We can further repeat step 2 and 3 on LED and Zener diode. The data recorded for Zener diode is in forward bias and reverse bias, while for LED is only in forward bias.
This is the value that has been collected from the experiment. From the data collected, we have calculated the saturation voltage for all diodes and also the ratio of the current in each diode. How does a diode works? An N-type semiconductor consists of electrons as the major carrier, while an P-type semiconductor consists of holes as the major carrier. When both types of semiconductor were joined, a P-N junction was formed. In forward bias, the N-type was connected with negative terminal, while P-type was connected to the positive terminal. As electron passing through the semiconductors, the depletion region becomes thinner as more neutral atom was formed, while in reverse bias, the opposite was happened as the connection was swapped. The typical voltage value for IR is 1.5 V, while for red is 1.8 V, and both yellow and green LED is 2.0 V. From the experiment, we could conclude that both 4000 series diode and LED can function in reverse bias, while Zener diode can function in both forward and reverse bias.
Based on this experiment, this is about the study of properties of semiconductors and to know about the characteristics curve of semiconductor diodes. Semiconductor is a material that has electrical conductivity between a conductor, like metal, and insulator, like rubber. Semiconductors are crucial in electronic devices because they can be used to control the flow of electricity. Their conductivity can be changed by adding impurities or applying electrical fields, making them essential components in devices like transistors, diodes, and integrated circuits. For conclusion, based on the experiment that has been conducted, we could conclude from the calculation that saturation value we know for LED is equal to 1.79 volt, diode is equal to 0.55 volt, Zener diode for forward bias is 0.64 volt, Zener diode for reverse bias is 2.09 volt. The value for ratio of current and for LED is 105.5. For diode 4007 is 32.51. Zener diode for forward bias is 37.8. Zener diode for reverse bias is 124.03.